everyone, welcome back to StudyOnion, and today we're going to be talking about GCSE Biology, the advanced information that was released yesterday at around 12 p.m. We're going to be talking about foundation and higher, but this particular video is only for separate sciences, so if you're doing combined sciences, come back later and there'll be a video about that coming out very soon. The timestamps for where foundation tier and higher tier are will be in the description and in the comments if you want to just skip to your tier so that you can get the right information for you. So let's get right into paper 1 for foundation biology, which covers 4 topics: cell biology, organization, communicable diseases, and bioenergetics. So there are 5 sections of the specification that they have said will be the main focus of the content for paper 1. These include cell structure, transport in cells, animal tissues, organs and organ systems, communicable diseases, and photosynthesis. There are 4 required practicals which will be assessed in this paper. Practical 1 is how to use a light microscope to observe plant cells. Practical 3, investigate the effect of a range of concentrations of salt solution on the mass of plant tissue. Activity 4, use qualitative reagents to test for a range of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. And finally, required practical 4, which is investigating the effect of light intensity on the rate of photosynthesis using an aquatic organism. AQA have also specified topics which will not be assessed in this paper: cell differentiation, principles of organization, blood, cancer, protist diseases, uses of glucose from photosynthesis, aerobic and anaerobic respiration, response to exercise, and metabolism are all topics which will not come up in paper 1 for foundation. Let's move on to paper 2 now, staying with foundation. And this paper covers topic 5, homeostasis, topic 6, inheritance, variation and evolution, and topic 7, ecology. So again with paper 2, the exam board have given you 5 topics which are your key focuses for paper 2. The human nervous system, hormonal control in humans, plant hormones, reproduction, and the development and understanding of genetics and evolution. They've also specified the required practicals that will be assessed in paper 2. And these are required practical number 7, carrying out an investigation into human reaction times. So this, I believe, is the ruler drop test. Required practical number 8, which is investigate the effect of light on the growth of newly germinated seedlings. And required practical 9, which is measure the population size of a common species in a habitat. They've also given us topics which will not be assessed in this paper. These include the brain, the eye, maintaining water and nitrogen balance in the body, advantages and disadvantages of sexual and asexual reproduction, DNA structure, sex determination, variation and evolution, the theory of evolution, speciation, the understanding of genetics, resistant bacteria, adaptations, how materials are cycled, decomposition, biodiversity, land use, deforestation, global warming, maintaining biodiversity, trophic levels in an ecosystem, and food production. These are all topics that will not be assessed in Paper 2 for Foundation. Let's move on to Higher. In Paper 1, the 4 topics that are covered are Topic 1, Cell Biology, Topic 2, Organisation, Topic 3, Communicable Diseases, and Topic 4, Bioenergetics. The 6 topics that will be the key focus of Paper 1 Biology for Higher Tier is cell structure, transport in cells, animal tissues, organs and organ systems, plant tissues, organs and organ systems, communicable diseases, and monoclonal antibodies. The required practicals that will be assessed for Paper 1 are Required Practical Activity 1, using a light microscope to observe plant cells. Required Practical number 3, investigating the effect of a range of concentrations of salt solution on the mass of plant tissue. And Required Practical 4, which is the use of qualitative reagents to test for a range of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. They've also given a list of topics that will not be assessed in the exam, and these include blood, cancer, antibodies and painkillers, discovery and development of drugs, and response to exercise. These topics will not be assessed in Paper 1. Now let's move on to Paper 2 of Higher Biology, which covers Topic 5, Homeostasis, Topic 6, Inheritance, Variation and Evolution, and Topic 7, which is Ecology. The major focus of the content of the exam is the human nervous system, hormonal control in humans, plant hormones, reproduction, and the organisation of an ecosystem. And there are 2 required practicals which they've specified will be assessed in this paper. This is Required Practical 8, the effect of light on the growth of newly germinated seedlings, and Required Practical 9, measuring the population size of a common species in an habitat. They've also said there will be specific topics that are not assessed. And these for Paper 2 are structure and function, the brain, the eye, hormones in human reproduction, contraception, the use of hormones to treat infertility, negative feedback, the use of plant hormones, advantages and disadvantages of sexual and asexual reproduction, sex determination, variation and evolution, the development and understanding of genetics and evolution, classification of living organisms, adaptations, impact of environmental change, biodiversity, deforestation, maintaining biodiversity, trophic levels, pyramids of biomass, and sustainable fisheries. Hopefully that gave you a better insight into all the advanced information that's been published by AQA for separate sciences. For the most accurate information, be sure to check the links below where I've linked the AQA website, and you can see the advanced information that has been published directly by the exam board. But for now, thank you very much for watching and see you again later. Bye!